The firmware running on intelligent and secure IoT products is quite sophisticated. Do you want to know how you can quickly start developing embedded applications using Renesas Advanced microcontroller kits and provide a state-of-the-art functionality to your customers? Hello and welcome. I'm Ashish Ahuja at Renesas Electronics. In this video, I will introduce you to the example projects for the Renesas Advanced microcontroller kits. You can use these example projects as building blocks to create feature-rich IoT and embedded proof of concepts. They also allow for structured and systematic exploration of the functionality and features available on the RA microcontrollers. Example projects are essentially code examples that demonstrate how different peripherals integrated in the RA microcontrollers can be configured, initialized, and operated for typical operating scenarios. Each example project consists of a README file which includes project overview, hardware settings, and useful notes. The example projects also contain IDE-specific projects files that you can use with the supported IDEs to easily import the projects. Each IDE project also consists of a pre-built hex file that you can directly program onto your kit using the supported flash programming utilities. This is particularly useful when you want to test drive an example project without having to install the toolchains on your computer and examining into the source code. The supported toolchains are Renesas E2 Studio, Kyle MDK, and IAR Embedded Workbench. All example projects are supported on the Renesas E2 Studio. Example projects on other toolchains are supported on case-by-case basis. Many example projects are common across all the kits, while some are kit-specific. Common example projects allow for knowledge reuse as one transitions between kits and help shorten the learning curve. Kit-specific example projects typically demonstrate features available on that kit. There are more than 600 example projects across different kits for different toolchains, and many more are being created. You can pause the video here to review the sampling of the common and kit-specific example projects. You could also refer to this table as you shortlist the kits that feature the MCU with peripherals required for your use cases. Example projects are grouped into example project bundles specific to each microcontroller evaluation kit. The example project bundle for a kit also features an overview document with useful information. It lists all the example projects available for that kit and toolchains for which each example project is available. The overview document also provides a pointer to the example project usage guide that includes step-by-step instructions to import the project in the toolchain, build and debug it, and then program it onto the kit. The example project bundle can be downloaded as one compressed folder from the documentation and downloads section of the kit web pages, for example, renesas.com/ra/ek-ra615. Individual example projects are also available on GitHub for alternative access. Feel free to get the example projects from the location that works best for you. You can quickly program an example project onto your kit using the Renesas Flash Programmer or Sager's JFlash Lite programming utilities without having to install a development toolchain or an IDE. These utilities are available for download from renesas.com and sager.com respectively. So in this video, we learned about the example projects for the Renesas Advanced microcontroller kits. You can use these as building blocks to create feature-rich IoT and embedded applications for your end products. I invite you to join the Renesas community on the Renesas RA Support Forum. This is where you can ask questions, get assistance from our team of experts, and also collaborate with other members of the Renesas community. We hope that you enjoy innovating with the RA microcontroller kits as much as we have enjoyed developing them. Order your favorite kit today and bring your big ideas to life.